Hey guys, Carl here with a Bitcoin update. So what we got here is Bitcoin on the weekly chart and the Brave New Coin Liquid Index, so BLX, if you want to get the ticker, right? See it yourself on TradingView. So what we got off the low, history of Bitcoin, right, from 2010. We have a one wave up, which has its own 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're on log scale here. So if we go regular, right, now we can see the first wave of Bitcoin. 1, 2. So there was a wave down there, right? But we have to see it on log scale to actually see the wave structure. So, because the price is so crazy, like you have to go to log scale. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and all of these has their own subwaves. And then from here we have another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All of them has their own subwaves. Right, that's the only way to do it. And then we have another bear market similar to this, which is a WXYXZ. Crazy. This one was WXY. So these are very complex corrections in Elliott wave theory. Pretty difficult to trade. Best to stay out or play some alts, and that's it. So what you want to do here is look at the wave structure. So we have a 5 waves up into the 1 in white, right? Then down for ABC2. Up another 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, into the 3. Big retrace, which is, you know, kind of out of the norm, but not out of the norm. I mean, we go below the 50 here. If we look at what I think is a similar place from the previous bull market, we went not quite to the 50%. Now this one we went, you know, between the 50% and the 618. Which is, you know, pretty deep, but it's not out of the norm. So what I see Bitcoin doing is continuing on to, I'm thinking 130K, somewhere like that. I don't think we have the same strength as this because the retraces were less and they were shorter period of time. This one, you know, there's a lot of selling when it's time to sell. So we're getting near the top, and the top is in 5 waves on the weekly in the whole history of Bitcoin. So what I'm expecting, you know, after this completes, I'm thinking 130K, and I'll show you why. So this bull market, the whole thing, crazy. Well, let's not go from the low. Let's just focus on the last one, right? We went 129 times. So far, from the bottom, we are 21 times. So let's say we go up and we're just half the strength of the last one. That's at 200K. So let's go a further detail. So from here to here, the last wave, this is 16 up. So we're in the last wave, I think. So last wave of this bull market times 9. So we go 16 up times 9. Are we going to get slashed in half again? Probably. So times 4 on the conservative side. So that would put us at that's 153K if we go times 4 from the wave 4 low. So see you guys maybe near the end when we have more of the wave structure for this last wave, and that is the time to really be considering about selling. So thanks for listening, and see you in the next video.